Hello, this is Marc Soler for Spotahome.com. I'm gonna show you today a very nice apartment in the city center of Valencia. It is very close to the train station Estación del Norte, and very close as well to Metro Xàtiva, Colón, to Old Town. It's very well connected, and as well very close to Rusafa, the modern part, so it's very nice. So the entrance is here. These are the stairs. It has an elevator, and we get inside the house, and it's in Calle Alicante. The windows of the house and the balconies, they bring you to the train station, but it's, very lighty and nice views. So this was the hall as we get in, and here we have the living room. As we can see, nice living room with tables, some armchairs, heating system. Every room has its own electric heating system. Now we get here, go out to see the views. It's 4-room apartment, and those are the views, no? It's like, this is the train station, so you're super well connected, but these windows makes you don't listen anything from inside. So this is the street, and keep back. It's pity it's already evening, because it was quite lighty an hour ago. So we get then to the kitchen, and here we have the kitchen. It has everything, it's full occupied. The house has as well a cleaning system. Like, there's ladies that come to clean every Monday. So you have fridge, freezer, washing machine. It doesn't have oven, but you have a toaster and a microwave, and, well, as I said, all the furniture and everything you need to cook. So it's a very well organized flat as well. So we get to the rooms area. Let's say there's room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, and room number 4. So we get into room number 1, single bed, but it has drawers, shelves, and here a wardrobe, as well a desk, and your own small balcony that we cannot open now, but you can see the views are the same than before. Estación del Norte over there, metro, train, sorry. So, come back, last view, and then we get to the room number 4, single bed, but as well shelves, drawers, wardrobes, a lot of storage space, desk with your own chair. It's a very nice flat in general. And we get to the room that was 4, this is 3, double bed. Look at the top, it's very nice. Yeah. As well, shelves, wardrobe, and everything. And then this is the room number 2, but we cannot enter now because they're using it now. But we'll go to the last part, the bathroom. This house has just 1 bathroom, but it's okay. With, of course, the shower, the sink, and the toilet. So, and from here you get to the living room. So, let's go back to the train station. And yeah, so that was it. Thank you very much. Marc Soler for Spotahome.com, Valencia.